Hi guys, welcome to Gold Today. This video is brought to you by the coach. Remember, always our job is to make you rich. If you are a new subscriber, welcome aboard and thank you for joining us. If not yet, please hit the subscribe button. We are going to start our video with the economic calendar. On the economic calendar for the coming week and from the United States, we are waiting for the following economic headers to be released: the new home sales on Monday and the core durable goods orders on Tuesday. Also on Tuesday, we'll be waiting for the CP consumer confidence, and on Wednesday, we'll be waiting for the pending home sales. Also on Wednesday, there is the Federal Reserve Bank interest rate decision and the FOMC statement and the press conference. On Thursday, there will be the GDP figures, and on the Friday, there will be the PCE data. It's a big week, so many important economic headers. That's all. We'll move on now to the numbers. On the last week, gold traded as low as 1546 and as high as 1575. Numbers are rounded and the market is closed. On the last trading session of Friday, gold spot printed a closing price above 1571. The numbers rounded and the market is closed. Gold is trading in an uptrend and it's above its all daily simple moving averages, and the momentum is seen extremely strong. For the RSI readings, it's 70 on the daily chart, 71 on the weekly chart, and 69 on the monthly chart. And for the supports are seen about 1550, then 1546, and then 1533. And for the resistance levels, it's 1585 if taken, then 1600 if taken. We'll be looking for 1622. That's all for the numbers. We'll move on now to the trading strategy. Hi again. In our last video, we said that gold is ready from a technical point of view, and based on the study of the price action, it's ready to move up higher into a rapid way, targeting ultimately 1700. We said that the storyline for such a huge move is not yet there, by which I mean that at that moment we did not know what could be the reason for such a huge move anticipated based on technical study. Also, we talked about 1506 level. Technically, from there we can say that gold is in an active move to the upside. It's interesting at times how events unfolds out of the blue to support an expected technical move. As we all know by now that coronavirus is spreading, and who could tell last week that this could be the reason to strike a move in the gold market. The virus was born in China, and so far it's been exported to other countries, including the United States, France, and Japan. And the virus, if it is not controlled, it could cause big damage for the global economy, especially for the transportation sector and the aviation and the tourism sector, and could spread to other economical sectors as well. It's not the first time the world is met with such a big challenge like what we are having right now, the coronavirus. And speaking of that, historically there have been an incident where this virus hit on India on 1850 and spread all around the world, and lasted for almost 100 years and killed about 15 million people. Times are different. I'm sure we are advanced technologically, and on the medical front, I think there will be a solution by way or another to solve this problem. However, we cannot neglect this risk factor. The US market was affected and dipped on the last trading session Friday. Stocks is still in an uptrend and it could turn around and go up again, but any new cases to be discovered and any news about spreading outside China mainly, or any news of moving this virus moving to less developed countries, especially Africa, this could really throw the stocks into a deep correction. Uh, for gold and silver, the rally or the continuation is on, and considering that we have closed above 1563, gold is ready to rally to 1700, and expect this move to unfold within the coming 4 weeks. And by the first week of March, gold should be approaching 1700. This is all theoretically so far, but if I were you, I will buy on the market, and I'll hold for ultimately 1690. Keep your attention on silver for a target 21.5, and on platinum for a target 1200. Those are going to move fast. The coming week itself, silver could touch 19. That's all for this week. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you next week in another video.